Fixed Wi-Fi not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. This video will show you how to fix it. Way 1. Reboot the router. Way 3. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Click on Reset Network Settings again. Way 5. Downgrade or update your iOS. Go to the iOS and Share official website to download iOS Repair Genius. Then install it on your computer. Make sure iTunes is installed on the computer. Launch the software. Choose the iOS Upgrade Downgrade option. Select the Upgrade iOS option. Connect your iOS device to the computer. Tap Trust, and then enter screen passcode to confirm. Click the Next button. Click Download button to download a firmware package. Downgrade iOS to a previous version. Choose Downgrade iOS on the right side. Connect your iOS device to the computer. Tap Trust, and then enter screen passcode to confirm. Hit on the Next button. Choose the firmware version you want to go back. Click the Download button to get it. Note, this process will erase all data. Click the Start button, and then click OK to confirm. Your device will be on downgrading process. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.